Dell XPS 9370 laptop, 13.3 inches UHD, 3840 by 2160, InfinityEdge touch display, 8th General Intel Core i7-8550U, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10, Silver. Tech details. Item model number, i5E26VK. Product dimensions, 1 by 0.39 by 0.39 inches. Batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Date first available, January 24, 2018. Brand name, Dell. Item dimensions LXWXH, 1 by 0.39 by 0.39 inches. Series, XPS 13. Screen size, 13.3 inches. Processor count, 2. Operating system, Windows 10. Brief, a more dignified Surface Pro competitor. Our verdict: the Dell XPS 13 is an excellent Surface Pro device, not to mention one of the best all-in-one Windows tablets we've seen. It may be getting on a bit now, but the Dell XPS 13 will offer you a killer feature that's hard to do without the Surface Pro. While the type cover may be gotten a bit dwarfed as the Surface Pro 4, both are still excellent devices, and they're certainly more expensive than the base model of the Dell XPS 13, which may be worth the extra cash for some. If you're looking for a machine to get work done, and have the room to use it, the Dell XPS 13 is a strident choice. We like the size and build quality of the Dell XPS 13 makes for a pelky, clear design. Every facet of the laptop feels well considered, from the matte screen to the metal frame. The full HD screen is a delight, and everything on the Dell XPS 13 looks sharp. It's a pleasure to use, and the increased resolution means text is super crisp and viewable from everywhere. And, for a while, it's not really its only feature to get excited about. The full-sized keyboard is a welcome change from the one on the Dell XPS 12, and it's far more comfortable to use than the tiny mini keyboard on the Surface Pro 4. We disliked, while the design is far from revolutionary, the lack of a 360-degree hinge is a revolutionary one. It works better than I expected, but it feels like it's too thin to enable comfortable tablet use in a single sitting position. The lack of a Connect port is in major omission, and while it's not necessarily a problem for streaming movies or presenting to a group, it's a shame that there hasn't been a chance to include the technology yet.